Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you guys are right, well, and healthy, enjoying your life. Today I'm here with the top content creation tool. We hope you will like it, which I use it for the content creating. These are the most effective tools. Hope you will like it. Let's see. Now what we have it. Today we have a first tool, that is the Copy.ai website. On from that you can use the simple sentences, generate the copies of a social media post. You can write that blogs faster, higher the converting posts, or many more things. You can see it from here. Lots of people are using this tool, so I hope you will like this one. Our next tool is a Canva tool, which helps you to create the content designing, images, video, creating, editing templates. You can here download. You can make the thumbnails of your for the YouTube channels and all like this. You can create the lots of logo. You can create the brochures and many more things. You can explore it. It's totally free, so you can download this one also, or you can use it on a website. So we have a next tool, that is the Capcut, the most famous one for the free tool and for editing and video editing, etc. For editing video, generate, edit and design subtitles on the mobiles. You can download this app easily and you can use it. This is so simple and having a high efficiency. You can even text to speech. You can create the auto captions. You can create the effects and lots of things. They are suitable for TikTok, introductory videos, how to make the videos, e-commerce videos, promotional videos, and many more things. You can download it or you can make it on a Capcut. So we have a next tool, that is the Flick. The Flick is the most important one. Analytics, post scheduling and hashtag research tool, which helps you already know that why the hashtag is very important for us, to making the searching very clear and to make it properly. So for scheduling, hashtagging, you can use it, and we have a lots of resources on it. So you can use this one, the flick.tech. Don't forget to like this or check it out. So most famous one, the Google Docs. We have a next tool, that is the organizing the ideas and write the copy of for the contents and everything. You can faster with the built-in intelligence they have. You can use, or you can write the lots of consulting proposals and each and everything easily. Okay, so we have a next app, that is the iPhone Notes. You can use the iPhone Notes to note down the ideas for the content, write captions for the post, or if you are using the Android phone, so you can download according to your phone which notes you can download, and you can use it to making the note down the ideas of the content and writing the captions for the post. We have a next tool, that is the video filters photo editor, that is the TON, video filters and effects to enhance the video quality. We have to use this one. So there are lots of things which you can see the rating of this tool. They have a lots of 4.8. that is very good. And next we have a Loom, which helps you to record your screen and the camera. Many people are more than 14 people are using, different companies are using this Loom software. You can use it. You can see the Loom app, how that works. You can see it properly. We have a share link and everything going on. You can check it out from this website, or you can download the app and you can check it out properly. So we have a last app for the content creation tool, that which I use most, that is a DeepStash, that which helps you to read and get the content ideas from articles, videos, different podcasts, and how we are using it. Lots of things we have in it, so you can download this app and sign up for the free. And don't forget to tell me about your next big ideas and how you are remembering everything, how you are creating and building everything. Don't forget to tell me about it, what are you doing it right now with the content creation tool, how you like this content tools. Just don't forget to write on the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like, share my videos. Have a good day.